In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with SharePoint. We'll connect your Monday.com boards to your SharePoint site using a no-code automation tool, so updates in Monday.com automatically create or update content in SharePoint. By the end, you'll know how to choose a platform, set your trigger and action, map fields correctly, and test the workflow with confidence. Start by choosing your integration platform. Microsoft Power Automate, Zapier, and Make All offer reliable pre-built connectors for both Monday.com and SharePoint. If your organization already uses Microsoft 365, Power Automate is often the most seamless choice. Zapier is great for quick, template-based flows, and Make provides very flexible visual scenarios. Whatever you select, make sure you have permission to access the Monday.com boards and the SharePoint site, library, or list you plan to use. Open your chosen tool and create a new workflow. Set Monday.com as the trigger app. Choose the event that should start the automation. Common options include when a new item is created, when a status changes, or when a file is added to a file column. When prompted, sign in to Monday.com and approve the permissions. Point the trigger to the correct account, workspace, and board, and add filters so you only act on items that truly need to sync. Next, define the action. Select SharePoint as the action app and pick what should happen after the trigger fires. Typical actions include creating a new folder, copying a file into a document library, or creating a new list item. Authenticate to SharePoint, then choose the exact site, library, or list. If your organization has multiple sites, double-check the site address and library name to avoid putting files in the wrong location. Now configure the details by mapping fields from Monday.com to SharePoint. For example, map the item name to a folder or title field, map a date column to a SharePoint date field, or map a people field to a person column if available. Use dynamic content from your trigger to build consistent names, like including the item name and a date stamp. If a Monday.com field might be blank, set a sensible default in your mapping to prevent errors. Finally, test the workflow. Create or update a sample Monday.com item that meets your trigger conditions, then run the test and watch the SharePoint action complete. Verify the result directly in SharePoint and review the run history in your automation tool for any warnings. If something doesn't map correctly, adjust the fields and test again. When you're satisfied, turn the automation on and your integration is ready to use.